In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Mailchimp, a crucial process that takes just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts or simply want to keep your email lists organized, this guide will walk you through each step clearly. Let's dive in. First, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already signed in, head over to Mailchimp's website and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your control center for managing campaigns, tracking metrics, and of course, handling audiences. Now, to add your contacts, navigate to the Audience tab. You'll find this on the sidebar, usually located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on this area opens a new view dedicated to your audience management. Here, you'll find several options to manage and improve your interactions with your subscribers. Next, click on Manage Audience. This button is your gateway to various tools and features that assist in organizing and coordinating your contacts. After you've clicked Manage Audience, look for the Import Contacts option. Selecting this will start the process of adding new contact information to your list. You'll then be presented with a question: how would you like to add contacts? In this case, select Upload File. This option is perfect if you have an existing list of contacts saved in an Excel file or any compatible format. It will save you time and ensure all information is uploaded accurately and efficiently. Once you've chosen to upload a file, click on Select a File. Here, you need to locate and select the Excel file that contains the contact information you wish to import. Ensure your file is well organized with separated columns for each type of information, like names, email addresses, and other relevant details. After your file is uploaded, click Continue. This step confirms your file is ready for processing. At this point, Mailchimp will recommend keeping all your contacts within a single audience. This approach is beneficial as it helps streamline personalized marketing efforts and makes managing your growing list hassle-free. You'll then need to select a current audience from the drop-down menu. Choose the list where you want these new contacts to be integrated. After deciding, proceed by clicking Continue. You'll now reach the tagging phase. Tags are vital for organizing contacts based on interests or behaviors, so search for existing tags or create new ones for better segmentation. Once your tags are set, click Continue. Mailchimp will check your data transfer to ensure its accuracy. If everything looks good, click Continue. Finally, choose the appropriate email marketing status for your new contacts. Once you've selected this, all that's left is to click Finalize Import, which concludes the process. And there you have it, a seamless way to add contacts to your Mailchimp audience. By following these steps, you'll keep your email lists organized and marketing efforts more effective. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.